Hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel. For the new people here, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for trying to check out what's this girl saying. And for my subscribers, thank you once again for building the channel. Thank you very much for stopping by and trying to get information from me. So, I want to treat the topic. It's going to be a long one. Not today, not like all of them will be today, but it's going to be in 4 videos actually. I want to treat on how to start up a skincare regimen for lightening your skin, for toning your skin, and for glowing your skin. It will be 4 videos. I know it's 3 things, but 4 videos. Now the lightening one will have like 2 videos. This one and another one, because lightning, if you want to get it right, it has more process, or should I say procedure, I don't know, than others, for you to get it right without spoiling your skin or making it look somehow. So today we'll be talking on things you'll be needing, yeah, from bathing down to dressing. You get me? Things you'll be needing to help lighten your skin. Okay, for my friends that want to lighten their skin, okay, now let's start with the bathing aspect. You will need 2 soaps. Yes, lightening can be, okay, when I mean lightening, you're trying to lighten, like over your lightening. You're not just trying to tone small, you're trying to lighten. So it's advisable you get 2 soaps. One, the main lightening soap. Two, a moisturizing soap. You know, I hear some people, like, there's some very dark people that will be like, they've tried this one, they've done this, but their skin is as if it's not moving. It's because you don't prep your skin. How will I put it? You just jump into the lightening stuff and start using. No. So the moisturizing will help soften your skin. Yeah, that's what makes the lightening process more longer, because you'll be using it alongside a moisturizer. Yes. So the moisturizer will help to be softening your skin while you apply your lightening product. That way it makes it easy for you to lighten. So now you need 2 soaps. I can't please, one more thing, please. I'm not going to talk which product in particular, because I don't know. I've not seen you. I don't know how you look, especially when it has to do with the lightning part. I don't know what kind of product I will prescribe to you without seeing you. So, but make your research if you want to talk to me, or any other, my email address is there. But for the moisturizing, I can give you some tips on those ones, like some products you can use, especially for those of us in Nigeria. Very easy products that are easily gotten. Because if you're doing lightening, I know it's extra money, but people don't know. Lightening is extra money. You're doing the lightening, you're doing the moisturizing things, and somehow, if you can afford the 2 strong products or good products, very nice products, it's fine. But I advise you go for the good, expensive products for the lightening part. Then the moisturizing, there are cheap, affordable moisturizing products around. Don't worry, as we go on, I'll be explaining. So for the 2 soaps, any lightening soap of your choice. Yes, we have plenty lightening soaps, plenty. Then your moisturizer, you also have many moisturizing soaps. For me, whenever I'm lightening, I just go for simple moisturizing toilet soaps like Joy, Lux, uh, simple soaps, Eva, those normal soap. I did not say Dettol. Dettol will not moisturize you. I did not say Dettol, except the Dettol soap, the pink one, skincare. You can add that up. But me personally, I like going for what's it called? Joy soap, the one with cucumber and milk. Yes, it moisturizes your skin very, very well. So that is it for the soap. The next thing you'll be needing if you want to lighten is scrub. You can't neglect it. You can't say let it go or later I'll start up. You need it, because you're trying to remove a layer of your skin. You know, it will help you take out dead skin cells around. That will free your pores and free your skin, so that when you apply new product, or you apply your product, it's working. It penetrates very well without any blockage. Next thing you'll be needing is a sponge, an exfoliating sponge. Now, exfoliating sponge. If you have any other ones, I see some people using brush, like bathing brushes. I've not tried that. I just like using sponge, this glove sponge. I just like using that one. That's okay for me. Then when it has to do with bathing, last but not the least, for in fact that one is not only for lightening people, everybody, but most especially lightening. Stay away from hot water. 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 I want to say it's very, very well. So like, yeah, stay away from hot water. Even if the weather is cold, like those of us in Nigeria that is raining now, we're feeling cool in the night because you need to be bathing 2 times a day for lightening people. Trust me, you need it. And you want to bathe in the night. It's very cold. If you want to change, make your water warm a bit, it's better just make it look warm. Let it be pourable. Let it be. Don't go and carry steaming hot water. I hear some people still say they will pour steaming hot water and then go and pour cold water. It's the cold water putting back your nutrients that you've already removed while using the hot water. It won't put it back. You've already removed that one. Your cold water just to close the pores, empty pores. Hot water strips out nutrients on your skin, so you need to stay away from it because you need those nutrients as far as you're liking. You need them more than anything. So that is it for the bathing. So next one for your dressing. I'm talking about lotions and all that. That's what I mean by dressing. So for the lotions or cream, you still need 2. No vest. I know it's hot. It's hot for you still need 2. The lightening product you want, yes. Any lightening lotion you want, but I advise go for good ones. Don't worry, we'll talk on that. Those ones. So, but go for good lightening product. Then the second one is a moisturizing product. Now, this is where either you get a simple moisturizing product. Me, I like using Venus. If I don't feel like using Venus, maybe I need more moisture to stay, I go for making my DIY body butter. It's very nice. The body butter especially is very, very nice. Like especially when you see that this lightening is getting too much, you need to use that body butter. So you'll be using either a simple moisturizing product or the body butter. Yeah, that is where body butter comes in. Now we're through with the lotion. You also need a face cream because it's not advisable to use your body cream or lotion on your face. It's really not advisable, especially there are some that are written for face and body. Yeah, but most lightening products, they don't write for face and body, so don't even mix it. Even that face and body, sometimes I still don't mix it. So I don't know why my face is shining like this though. So okay, after the face cream, get a good face cream. Don't get a face cream that will over lighten you, because I've noticed when you're lightening, I notice our face, it tends to lighten easily. Yeah, so when you also want to lighten, you don't have to go and rush and go and get a strong lightening face cream again. No need for that. And anyway, some of these good products, they have their face cream. So if you can get their lotion, their face cream is also nice, and their soap is also nice, so that you know that you're staying on in one product. You're not interchanging or changing chemicals like different products. It's good if you can use one particular product for the lightening aspect, use one particular product for the moisturizing, and if it's for some nice products that have everything but just moisturizing products and lightening products, you can use them. Then another thing we need are essential oils. My vitamin C and vitamin E. My favorite things in skincare. I love those 2 things. They are really needed. You get to help treat, especially your face, your hand, your leg, help add more nutrients to your skin. Now the vitamin, okay, don't worry, I'll explain that later when I make a video on how to use them. Okay, so you'll need vitamin C and vitamin E. I won't go and be telling you more essential products and all that. No need. If you also come across if you're using a good product that also have serum or oil, read the oil. Try and be reading when you go to buy products for your skin. Read the oils. You see the ones that have vitamin E, vitamin C. Then I don't think there's need to buy the separate capsules, the separate oils again. If you have a serum that contains the 2 of them, maybe you're using a good product that has serum, and the serum has these 2 essential nutrients. please get them. Okay, and then there will be no need to buy separate vitamin C and vitamin A. Okay, then the last but not the least, sunscreen. Sorry. Then the last but not the least, sunscreen. You need to get sunscreen. I don't know. I don't know how to emphasize on this, but it cannot be overemphasized. You need to get a sunscreen if you're going to lighten up. Yes. Yes. Another thing, if you're getting one and you get your sunscreen, one thing you should keep handy is all these skin treatment tubes, like for reaction, anti-reactions. I did not say you will mix. E. I did not say you can buy them and mix. Just keep them handy. That's the mistake most people get. Yeah, I'll talk on this. Most people will go and buy these anti-reactions. When we talk of anti-reactions, we're talking about all this epiderm, you know, new skin, skinel, some people from that A, you know, those kind of things that helps in reactions and all that. Don't mix it with your cream because your skin is. Let me explain something. Let's say you're okay, and then you started moisturizing with already mixed this thing, you know, already mixed cream that contains the anti-reaction. You're not having any reactions, but you've already started using it. Not this. When suddenly you have the reaction, I mean, you think you don't have reaction. Somehow you might have a reaction. So when suddenly you have a reaction, like maybe skin reaction, how do you think? Okay, what do you now want to use and treat it? You now carry the thing and start applying solo, thinking it will work. It has been working, and your skin has gotten used to it and say, okay, it's normal. Anything can come out, and when you apply it, like this one has been coming since, and you've been applying this since. Why do you think it will change now? So don't just mix them like that. If you really want to be applying them, probably for prevention, I'll still advise you apply it separately, probably at night. Before you apply the creams, you just apply them as first layer on your skin, but not every night, at least once in a week for any incoming reaction and all that. Or you can just wait till you're seeing signs of reactions. And then to wrap this video up, I would also want to say we should learn. If you're like me, learn to be looking into your skin. Not only if you're like me, everybody learn to be looking into your skin. Don't just stay and wait till you're seeing an obvious reaction in somewhere obvious on your body, like maybe on your face or your teeth or your neck or anywhere. Sometimes, every week, in fact, do this every week. Always look at your body. If you're not going out, you're not involved, look at your body in the broad daylight, not in the night, not with touch. Look at your body, not with bulb, not with bulb too. Look at your body very, very well. Open your body, check your back, carry your armpits up, check very well. If you have two mirrors, you try and look. If you have somebody to assist you, to check your back, if they can see anything odd in your back, the skin, check your laps, check. That way, when new things want to come up, like a reaction or something, you see it on time. So I hope this video was helpful. Please watch out for the part 2 on how to use this product. And I love you guys. Okay, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, so that you won't miss out. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that when I upload new things, you will get to see it. Okay, thank you.